Hey guys, don't forget to enter in the free giveaway. Check out the previous video for details. This guy will be given away on June the 2nd, and you still have time to enter, so don't miss it.
Welcome to No Pros RC.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a short video. I was debating on whether to do one because I have a lot going on in my personal life and I really didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so I'm just going to give you a quick update on the Tsauro-Z RC. So I did find the controller here, which is also dusty, but turn it on here, we have steering control, but no throttle. And it's amazing that all this still works for the age. But yeah, no throttle because I have to order another battery. I thought I had one here somewhere, but I can't find it, and if I did find it, I would need to find the charger for it. So I have to go online and order a new battery, and luckily they still sell the battery for this Tsauro-Z, which is amazing. So I'm going to try to get that ordered as soon as I can, and when I get it, I'm going to charge it up, which takes 6 to 8 hours, which is, yeah, that's about right, but that's crazy. But it is what it is from the time period. Once I get the battery, I'll charge it up, install it, and then I can show you guys how a 20-plus-year-old RC from Radio Shack runs. Don't forget about the giveaway that we got going on with the Masato Tech RC Express Lanes. It's like 2 videos prior. All you gotta do is make sure you're following us on all our social medias, which is TikTok, Instagram, and following us here on YouTube, obviously. And just write a comment below as to why you like RCs, and you'll be entered. We'll choose the best comment, and we'll be giving this RC away, I believe, on June 2nd. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed. And as always, thank you guys for taking your valuable time and watching our videos. You see the Linden's cookies here. I grew up on these in school. From elementary school is where I first tasted them, all the way up to high school. These Linden cookies right here, not a sponsor, are the best cookies other than homemade cookies. Other than my homemade chocolate chip cookies, these are the best. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Y'all are easy. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.